Hello friends. Today, we'll see how easy it is to import products from Excel into OS Books. This is possible in OS Books. Right now, you are looking at the OS Books dashboard. The current product master is empty, which means no products have been added yet. So, let's see how to directly import products using an Excel file. First, you'll find an import icon on the top side. Click on it. A modal will open in front of you with multiple options: General, Tally, Vyapar, and Excel. We need to select Excel. The Excel file format is very simple. So, let's open the Excel file now. Here, you just need to fill in some basic product details, such as product code, product name, category, GST %, MRP, sale price, purchase price, opening stock quantity. But it's not necessary to use every column. You can choose only 2, 3, or 5 columns depending on your requirement, which means you can adjust the file according to the data you already have. By filling in these details, your product master gets ready. So, let's go ahead and add our products in this file. First, I created one product, P001, item 1, which is in the grocery category. I set its GST rate as 5%, MRP as 100, sale price as 1990, purchase price as 1980, and opening stock as 50 units. The second product is P002, item 2, which belongs to the medicine category. It has a GST rate of 12%, MRP of 200, sale price of 180, purchase price of 150, and an opening stock of 30 units. And the third product is P003, item 3, which falls under the electronics category. It has a GST rate of 18%, MRP of 500, sale price of 450, purchase price of 400, and an opening stock of 20 units. In this way, you can add all your products into the Excel file. Now, save this file and come back to the import option in OS Books. Here, select Product Master as the import type, then choose your Excel file and upload it. After uploading, you'll see a mapping screen where each column can be matched with the fields in OS Books. If there's any mismatch, you can manually adjust it as well. Once everything is correct, just click on Final Import. And that's it. All your products are now imported into OS Books. Your entire product master is ready in one go. After the import is complete, you can now view the current stock on the dashboard. Just click on More Info, and you'll see the complete stock with proper details. If you want, you can also click on the View option to check the details. And now, let's see how to sell these products. For that, just press the shortcut key Ctrl+S, and the sale window will open. Here, I'll add the customer's name. Then, I press Enter to select the product, choose the quantity, and with another enter, the product gets added to the bill. If I want to add another product, I just search and select it again. After that, I click on Save, choose the payment mode, and that's it, the bill is ready. Now, by clicking on Print, you can hand the bill directly to the customer. In OS Books, the process is so fast that you can see it for yourself. That's exactly why this software is designed keeping every shop's needs in mind. So, join OS Books today and experience how it gives your business the support it truly deserves. Stop thinking and start working with OS Books. With Excel import, your entire product master gets ready. That's you in just seconds.